Check out this pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Stepside short box street rotted pickup. Look at this stance, good looking color, nice looking truck. Underneath the hood, 454 fuel injected V8 that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Look like a 17 bolt tranny pan 4L80E. And also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC and heat, vintage AC and heat. Take a look at the front grille. That flat black look to it. Well, as far as the hood ornament, the grille, the bumper, headlight surrounds. Nice look up there. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can take your time looking at this truck. Take a look at the undersides, engine bay, interior, every angle of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, riding American Classic 5-spoke wheels. Behind there, you're going to notice disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors at all four corners of this, and again, power brakes, power steering, AC and heat. AC blows cold. Take a look at how they tastefully did the flat black to match the grille as far as the handles and the rear view mirror, and then the smoked side windows. So know your local and state laws as far as the darkness of the tint. Again, four-wheel disc, slotted and drilled rotors. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Fuel fill is in the rear, underneath the door in the bed. This color, great looking color. What it is it's Area 51. It's a Ford Bronco color. It was considered Area 51 Cactus Gray, I believe. And there is a box here that does have an AC compressor. It looks like there's a new one on it, and there is some paint to it. So you do have some extra paint from when it was painted, some other miscellaneous parts. That will go along with the vehicle. Check out the still pictures. You can see those and the rest of this truck, underside, top to bottom, inside and out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, and you can see the paint. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Newer paint job. You're at a car cruising, rolling, car show. You want to open a soda pop bottle. Look at that. Built-in bottle opener, and a cool look on this truck. And again, 454 underneath the hood, so more of a modern drivetrain, of course. There were a couple little spots I noticed on the tint on both sides where there was some imperfections in that. I'm sure it's wore a little bit going up and down in the track. Cloth bucket seats, center divider, armrest, fold down. Very tastefully done interior also. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this. So we have auto meter gauges. Coming over here, retro sound style radio. Look at how it's fit. Right to the dash, controllers, using the same cutout as factory. So still a cool factory look to the dash, but with all the modern amenities. Something else, nice large rear view mirror, which is great for seeing out that window in the rear instead of a small one. And it can be adjusted. It's actually a suction cup. You see it on there. Cool setup. Also visors, but you don't always see stuff tastefully done like that. Let's go ahead and start this up. Remember, 454 fuel injected. Now, as far as gauges, see the volt Oil pressure. Radio does work, as you can hear. That was a cold start, so I want to expect temperature to be up. I have not 100% got how if the fuel gauge is working or inaccurate. It's something our techs will take a peek at. Check with your sales consultant, but it is all new autometer gauges. May need a sending unit, something a little done with that. Or you pay attention to how many miles you're driving, you know how much fuel you got. Seats, not really much wear, rips, tears, anything like that on them at all.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Something else I wanted to show real quick also, rubber gaskets around the door seals, all new, very nice and pliable. Close nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nothing too crazy over the top as far as exhaust, anything loud, big heavy cam. Just a nice sounding street rod. You can see that rear bumper also flat black. Accents the front grille and the mirror and the door handles, the wheels for that matter. Let me slip up to the front. We're going to pop this hood open. Let me get the hood open. Let's check out that engine bay and take a peek at that 454. All right, hood's open. As you can see, I do have a prop rod in there. The springs will just about hold it or hold it partially open. I wanted it all the way up so we can see it, but yeah, springs could use a little more strength, or have a prop rod if you need. There it is, 454, fuel injected, AC Delco battery. See the little battery shut off here. Brake booster. Underneath the truck, you'll see it in the underside pictures. AC compressor, power steering. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Nice looking, tidy engine bay. Wow. Sounds good, looks good, runs good. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 street rotted pickup, Stepside short box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.